Going camping is something we should all try to do at least once in our lives. It can be a peaceful and liberating experience, but it's not for everyone. After all, they call it the great outdoors, not the perfect outdoors. With that in mind, you're watching the Interesting and Creative Designs channel. Here are some incredible camping inventions that we think everyone will appreciate. Searching for the perfect campsite can be hungry work, and you don't want to be carrying heavy equipment everywhere you go. Thankfully, this first invention solves both of these issues. Introducing the Jetboil Stash, an all-in-one backpacking camping stove system. With a 0.8 liter capacity, this stove uses a titanium burner and flux ring technology to cook you a satisfying meal out in the wild. What's more, it weighs only 7.1 ounces, which is 40% lighter than previous camping stove models. Made from high-quality, lightweight components, assembling the Jetboil Stash takes a matter of seconds. The aluminum pot attaches sturdily to its stand, ensuring a stable cooking station and reducing the likelihood of accidents, or heaven forbid, wasted food and water. This fantastic piece of kit allows you to enjoy a hot meal or some coffee and to recharge your batteries after a long hike. You'll feel a million times better after taking in a hot meal and taking in the views, as opposed to chewing on a snack bar and feeling cold. It only takes 2.5 minutes to boil a full pot of water using this system. Jetboil has a variety of accessories and fast boil recipes to go with it too. When it's time for you to move on, all the parts can be stored inside the pot itself and secured into one compact portable unit that you can slip into your bag and carry to your next location. Even more important than a hot meal is a good shelter, and this next design is better than good. Take a look inside this incredibly spacious canvas cabin tent from Kodiak. Designed to accommodate up to 6 people, or just 2 with a huge bed, this durable design can be used during any season, all year round. That's thanks to its weather-resistant Hydra Shield canvas, which will not only keep heavy rains out, but will help you keep warm and snug inside. 1-inch thick galvanized steel tubing and welded braces provide sturdiness, while quality zips and vinyl flooring do give the tent a robust enough feel. Just make sure you secure the tent well, as it's not designed for extreme winter mountaineering. This tent is more suited to family holidays or relaxed camping, with its 7.5-foot peak ceiling height and steep walls for walk-around comfort. There are large mesh windows to enjoy the views, and collapsible awnings so you can stay sheltered while still making the most of the fresh air. An optional deluxe awning covers a total area of 8 by 8.5 feet, plenty large enough to set up a table and have a sit-down meal and really feel at home in the great outdoors. Let's get back to food for this next one. If you really want to impress and cook for a group of people while camping, look no further than the Disco by iCamper. This modular outdoor cooking system was designed in order to create a unique culinary experience built around community. The designers wanted a way to continue the tradition of cooking on a disc, but to update it with a modern and modular design. In their own words, "We didn't invent cooking on discs. This age-old tradition goes back over 100 years, when farmers would convert a plow disc into a massive cooking surface. This is where the name Disco comes from." The perfect fusion of culinary innovation and age-old tradition, this standalone stove is made of easy-to-clean cast iron, but it can be used with a range of cooking pots, pans, and utensils. The quick-release, heavy-duty legs make it strong and versatile. Plus, there is even a pulley system to cook meat over a traditional fire. It's not just for use on campsites either. The Disco is equally at home in the backyard, at a beach, by a tailgate, and practically anywhere else that's good for outdoor cooking. Whether you're with friends or on your own, camping is better with a Disco. Also designed by iCamper is this Skycamp Annex room. Now you can pull it pretty much anywhere in your vehicle and within minutes create a spacious outdoor living area. This innovative rooftop tent raised an impressive $2.3 million in fundraising when it was first conceptualized. In terms of assembly, it's similar to how a traditional tent is constructed. However, because you can carry all of the parts around with you on top of your car, it makes for a much larger and sturdier build once completed. Plus, the energy you save by not having to lug a tent around all day can instead be put into erecting a camping fortress for yourself. When finished, you end up with a multi-level living area that includes a sizable room at ground level as well as an upstairs sleeping chamber. Then there's the added benefit of being able to pack up and drive on to the next idyllic location whenever you want, meaning you can snooze a little and really enjoy your surroundings. Lamps and other artificial light sources can be expensive and cumbersome, but no more thanks to the Everglow light tube designed by Climate. When folded up, it can fit inside your pocket, but when inflated, this easy-to-use light tube provides both directional and lantern-style lighting. Powered by a USB input, the efficient 5-volt white LED light is both portable and versatile. It easily attaches to your tent, awning, or car door using a carabiner loop or its magnetic attachment points. Brightness can be adjusted easily through a dimmer switch. So now you can hit the lights whenever you like, thanks to this clever creation. One factor that puts some people off camping is hygiene. Well, with this foldable ensuite shower tent from Joolca, you've got no more excuses. This fantastic invention allows you to stay fresh and clean, and to enjoy a proper shower while not exposing you to the elements. There's a separate dry zone for keeping your towels in order, and the water you use can be drained out of the tent easily. Depending on your situation, you can enjoy the view while you soak, or have complete privacy. Perhaps the best thing, though, is that once you're done, you can dismantle the shower and store it in a carry bag in as little as 22 seconds, ready to take on your next adventure. The accompanying HOTTAP is also made by Joolca and is the world's smallest water heater in its class. The portable heater hooks up to an LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas bottle, but the system itself can be attached to a car door. After setting up, temperature settings can be manually adjusted, and a microprocessor limits water heat to 50 degrees Celsius, preventing things from getting too hot. Enjoying a HOTTAP shower is then as simple as flipping a switch. There are several mounts and attachments available. It comes with a robust pump that connects to your car and is waterproof. The water intake features a 2-stage filter that will remove dirt, plus it's sturdy enough to be thrown into shallow creeks and rivers. This allows water to be pumped up to 30 meters to your campsite, making the tap useful for washing dishes as well as bodies. There's a handy built-in dish rack, and the faucet pivots and tilts for better functionality. The kitchen sink doubles as a compact storage container, making it easy to keep everything together and move it around with your camping gear. A great piece of kit to keep in your car for sure. Next up is the ENVIKIT. This 5-in-1 utensil kit is another worthwhile addition to your camping equipment. Campers tend to overlook or forego having decent cutlery, instead opting to use environmentally unfriendly plastic spoons or eating with their hands. Because, let's face it, who wants to carry a traditional knife and fork around with them? Now though, the ENVIKIT makes having dependable cutlery at a campsite practical and not weird at all. A spoon, fork, knife, chopsticks, collapsible straw, and silicone tip can all be packed neatly into this handy little kit. There's even a reusable napkin. The utensils are made from high-quality, titanium-coated stainless steel, meaning they are durable, reusable, and overall better for the environment. Assembly is a piece of cake thanks to the screw-in mechanism, whereas the straw simply opens with the flick of a wrist. After use, just wash or wipe your cutlery and return them to the ENVIKIT ready for next time. Now you can really enjoy your meals wherever it's at, whether that be at home, at a dodgy restaurant, or at a campsite. For a room with some of the most spectacular views imaginable, check out this hard-sided rooftop camper from Redtail. The carbon fiber construction pops up smoothly in a matter of seconds. Windows and side panels can be opened to fully take in the surroundings and fresh air. Depending on where you park and the weather, you can either embrace Mother Nature in her entirety or shut her out and stay warm and dry. The camper produces its own electricity and can therefore provide light and manage temperatures with its built-in fan and blower systems. It has power outlets, and you can actually climb up into the camper through your vehicle's sunroof. Alternatively, you can use a ladder from the outside, although that doesn't seem as cool. Collapsing the mini penthouse is just as easy as putting it up, so you can just drive off to the next idyllic landscape with your hotel room already with you. Our final contender for things you'll most likely want to take with you on your next camping trip is the Forge 15 Hitch-mounted grill. Inspired by adventure, road trips, and the love of the outdoors, Hitch Fire is changing the game when it comes to hitch-based accessories. Both the grill and the swing arm are fully assembled out of the box, so all you need to do is put them together. Made from heavy-duty metal with a durable powder-coated finish, the grill is purpose-built to withstand the roughest weather and toughest conditions. So you can pull up almost anywhere, even in a river, and have your grill ready to cook your next catch. You'll struggle to find a fresher, tastier meal than one cooked by yourself at the place where you actually caught your food. The grill and swing arm lock into place at several points using robust screws, pins, and latches, ensuring it stays firmly in place when driving over the bumpiest of terrain. The grill lid also has a latch to keep it shut during transport. And what is good food without good drink? Thankfully, makers of the Forge 15 have thought of that too, as it even has a built-in bottle opener. The grill itself is the main party piece though. It has 2 straight burners that run from the front to the back of the grill with drip guards over each. If you enjoy grilling, you need to take it to the next level with one of these and try adventure grilling. Now, what do you think? Which of these handy inventions would you add to your camping gear? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more interesting and creative content. Be sure to hit that bell icon to stay up to date with our latest uploads too. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.